Alright, so simplify. The first question is simply what? 5 log 125. You write the number first before you put the base. So that to make sense, alright? Don't put the base before you put the number. That's why you have a huge space there. Huh? Good. So now, how do we simplify this? Now to understand logarithm very well, you must know that logarithm, this is the base of logarithm, okay? Are you getting me? And this is the result. Alright? So we are looking for in terms of indices or index format. You know when we say indices, let's say a raised power what? X equal to a particular number, let's say y. Alright? So let's say 2 raised power 3, what will it give us? 2 raised power 3, what will it give us? 8, right? So this is the base, right? This is the base, this is the index, right? And this is the result. Two of us. So in terms of logarithms, when it comes to logarithms, the same thing is the base of the logarithm. 5. Hmm? This result you have here, this is it here. This is base, this is the result you have here. So when you simplify this, what you are looking for is the power. Is that clear now? When you simplify this, what you are looking for is what? The power. So what is the power of 5 that will give you what is 5? 3. The answer will be 3. Okay? So how do we solve it? You know, the answer is 3, simple as ABCD, but there is a step to solve it, okay? So, but when you are given an objective question, just quickly pick the answer instead of solving and solving. Are you getting me now? Alright, so let's simplify this. So we have log what? 125, 5. So you just say log 5 raised power what? 3 to be what? 5. Then the 3 will move to become the coefficient of this log. So that's what? 3 log what? 5 is what? 5. Are you there? Now, whenever we have log 5 to base 5, that is when the solution comes in. The answer is what? 1. Log 5 to base 5 is 1. Log 10 to base 10 is 1. Log of number to the same number will give you 1. So this 3 times this 1, that's what you're saying here. 3 times 1. And the answer is still what? 3. So I'm making sure that you understand. Alright? Who got it? How many of you got it? Okay. Now expose yourself. I forgot what to do yesterday. Now try expose yourself. Number 2. So we have what? Log 81 plus s which equals 4. So x raised power 4 which equals 81. What is that number? X raised power 4 which equals 81. What is that number? All of us know that is what? 3, right? 3 times 3 times 3 times 3 which equals what? 81. But how do you solve it? Mr. B, how do I solve it? Very simple. How you solve it is very, very simple. Will I show you? Will I show you? I want to show you another way of solving. There's a simpler way of solving it. There's a simple way. No. Because, listen, because this expression will be simple, I want to use it to introduce a better way of solving the equation. Logarithm will always appear in form of equation. What I say? Logarithm will always appear in form of equation. So the best thing for me now is to express this so that when you see those logarithms that are in equation, you can be able to solve it. Then after that, I will now show you the second simpler method. So this is the first method. The first method is whatever base we have here, whether it's 500, 10, bring it to this side. This is what I mean. I will say log 81 base s equal to 4 log s to base x. So meaning if I have 3 here, what will I put here? Log 3 to base. If I have 5 here, what will I put here? Log 5 to base 5. Mr. Brain, why now? Because I want to cancel this log. Once you have log here, you cancel. Just like when you have equal base, you can say s equals 3 raised by s and 3 raised by s because they have the same power. S will cancel it. You now have A equal to 3. That's what I want to do. So that here will be log base X, log base X, I will now cancel. So that's why whenever I add this, what I use to reduce log base. Meanwhile, you already know, meanwhile, you already know that anything, log of anything is that same thing within the what? 1. So it doesn't really affect 4. Doesn't affect 4. 4 times 1 is what? I've already explained to you what I call neutral number. How many of you remember neutral element? Neutral. Identity element or neutral element. Under a particular operation, right? Good. So now, how do we go further? We just say, let's behave as wire. Like this one will now come to this other side, right? So that will be log what? Log is what is S equal to log S is power 4 is what? X. Now because we have log here and log here, there's no other number here except 1. There's no other number here except 1. I will now belong. I want belong. Belong means belong. So it's 1 is the same as S is power 4. Everything is now converted to what? To index form. So this implies that all of you know that whenever I say this implies that it means that what? I want to bring this other number to this side. Then I'll now say equal to 1. So this is S equal to what? S raised power 4 equal to what? 3 raised power 4. Equal power. Equal what? Power. Or you say common power. Power. Common power. Therefore, S is the same as 3. That is the best way to solve it. Why? Because it will help you to solve many other questions. Are you with me? Alright. So, while you are writing, let me do the second method. Second method is what we know already. This is our number here. Log is 1 with S equal to 4. Since we already know that it's S raised power 4, now give us 81. Abi, let's go ahead and write it. S raised power 4 equal to what? 81. That's the shortest one. Whatever is here, this power is equal to this. Alright? Make sure there is no number here. If any number here, you have already moved it to this side. Alright? So what do you have now? What do you have now? S is power 4 equal to what? 3 is power 4 and S is equal to what? 3. Common what? Common power or index. Common index. Are we good to go? Oh yeah, right. Let me pause the video. Yes, let's continue. Let's do the board. You've written it now. Oh, what am I now doing with that space? Oh, God. Woo! This is my student. I trust them. No pause, alright. Alright, let's solve number 3. So we have number 3. I've explained the meaning of evaluate to you, right? When you say evaluate, it means you're going to get a specific answer, right? Huh? So this one is very simple. This is the simplest question, right? So how do you solve it? So we have solution. Log what? 2 to the 10 plus log 5 to the 10. Like I said, those people that have not been taught before, I'm expecting you to understand this at the end of this explanation because I'm going to explain it very well, like I did in the first class. So now, what is the law behind this question? What law are we supposed to apply? We're supposed to apply the law of what? That converts what? Plus to what? Multiplication. So as far as, or let me say, since they have the same base, or if they have the same base, you just pick one of the base and then multiply what? The result. Okay? Multiply the result or what we call it, the number. So we have 2 times 5, that's what? log 10 to the 10, and that is simply 1, just like we said before. The answer is what? 1. Alright? Now the next one, number 4. Number 4 says solve what? Solve for S, and the question says log S minus Y equal to 2, which is what? This 3. So you can see, you already know the two methods to solve this, right? So let me repeat the two methods again so that people can get this way. Let me repeat what? The two methods. So what's the first method? The first method is just 3 raised to power what? 2, right? 3 raised to power what? 2 equal to what? S minus 1. 3 raised to power 2 equal to S minus 1. This place raised to power what do you have? The number you have here equal to the result. So what do you have? Implies that S minus Y is equal to what? 3 raised to power 2, which is 9. So S minus Y is equal to 9. S equal to what? 10. Why is it 10? Why is it 10? This is minus 1. You add 1 to both sides. Huh? Or you move this one to the other side, becomes plus 1. So 9 plus 1, that is what? 10. What the next method? The next method or the second method is, or alternative method is, please help me. What am I going to put here? Help me. Let me see if you remember. Let's go. What am I putting here? 2 what? Log. Huh? No. Whatever base you have here. Log 3 is 3. Remember, log 3 is 3 is 1. So it doesn't affect the number. Whatever you add, it must not affect this number. It must not change the result here. Are you getting me now? Whatever you want to print here must not change the result. So log 3 to base 3. If I say log 4 to base 4, I will not be able to delog because I cannot cancel log 3 and log 4. If I put S, likewise, I will not be able to cancel. So I must put something I'll be able to what? I must be able to what? Cancel. And when I put log 3 here, in order for the whole answer to be 1, I must put 3 here. If I put log base 3, in order for the whole answer to be 1, so that when you multiply by 1, 2 times 1 to be 2, I must put 3 here. I think that English is simple enough. Eh? Alright. So what do we have now? Log what? S minus 1 log what? 3 raised power 2 base 3. So you cannot be log. You cannot what? Log. So S minus Y equal to what? 3 raised power 2. So S minus Y equal to what? 9. S minus S equal to 9 plus 1. S equal to what? 10. Do we all understand this? Huh? Okay. So I'm going to solve the other ones here. Let me give you time to write. Alright, let's continue. We solve the remaining ones here. We are going down to number what? 5. Express log 64 base 4 in terms of base 2 only. In terms of what? Base 2. So, number 5. Express log 64 base 4 in terms of what? Of base 2. Now, it's not easy to simplify. What that means is that we are converting this number to base 2. Okay? And I'm quickly going to look at the difference. That's up to 400 at any moment. And just from that step to this place, you are doing the thing low and knock. Light changing knock. She made it short and pregnant of the police. Alright, so now 54 is 4. They're not simplifying, we're just converting this to base 4. So what you do? You just say log 64. 2 is by what? 2. Log 64. The power of this base, where will it go? Yeah, this 1 over what? 2. All of you remember, right? The power of the number here, or the result will be here. Right? The power of the base will come here as the denominator, right? The power of 64 is 1. The power of 2 is 2, right? So move it to the other side. So now we log 64 base 2 raised to power what? 1 over 2. Can you see that? Huh? Good. So log root 64. What 1 over 2 as power means what? Root. Okay? So root 64 will now be log what? Log 8 is what? 2. This is the answer they are looking for. How many things now? Huh? That's the answer they are looking for. Blood of Jesus. So let's see the blood of Jesus. The next one is number 6. Given that log 2 is 10 is what? See, you're supposed to count this number by now. Log 2 is what? 0.3010. Count it like that. That's common logarithm. You know it's base 10, right? Meaning if you go to map of your book, if you check page, you're going to see this number. Honestly, you're not going to see 2. You only see from 10 to 99. 10 to what? So if you check page, you're going to see this. You can be, 2 and 20 are not the same. They're not the same, but if I'm putting in that common logarithm, you now understand why. Alright? So, what was the meaning of that? Let's continue now. So we have what? Now evaluate, we have to evaluate what? Evaluate log 10 to 72. Huh? So, are you with me? So let's evaluate log what? Log 72 base 10. So now, yes, I love this question. I love this lesson. So I love the fact that they brought this question so that I can take it because I love this lesson. Let me do water. Let me do. I'm done with water. Yes. So evaluate this. Oh. Now, your target. Hello. Your target when it comes to this type of work. As far as they are giving you 2, 3, 5. 2, 3, 5, maybe 7. No, not 10. 10 is 1. Now, once they are giving you all this number, either this 2, 3, and 5, right? Your target is that you make this number down so that it will not have a base. A base 2. It is what? Base 2. This number, what are the factors of this number? 9, blah, blah, blah. 9 times what will give you this? 9 times what will give you this? 9 times what? 8. 9 has a base 3. Why 8 has a base 2? 2 of us. I remember 3. We have 3 here, and we have what? 2. So that's your work. Your work is what? Your work is what? Make sure that you break it down so that you have the what? 2 and 3. So let's go. Solution. So we have log 72. Can we keep quiet so that we know what's smelling? So it looks like somebody's teeth is smelling. I mean mouth. So we have what? 8 times what? 9 is 10. Now when you have times, how do you separate it? You log plus. So you say log 8 plus what? Log 9. That's how to separate, right? This one breaking down again to what? Base what? 2. 3 base 2. Alright? Log what? Sorry, 2 base 2. 3 base 2. Yes. 3 plus 2 at least. You know what I'm saying? Alright, so this number becomes what? 3 log what? 2 base 10 plus 2 log what? 3 base what? 10. Can you see now? So this is what I'm looking for. Look at it. Log 2 to base 10, log 3 to base 10. What is log 2 to base 10? 0.3010. So I'll put this 3 here, then open bracket, the answer for this log 2 to base 10 is what? 0.3010, right? As you see here, alright? Plus 2 open bracket again, 0.4771. Can you see that? When I use 3 to multiply, what's that? If you use 3 to multiply, that's what? 0.9030. Plus, use 8. Use 3 to multiply, that's what? 0. 0. What? 954. That's the multiply from the back. 2 times 1, 2. 2 times 7, 14, right? Carry 1. 2 times 7, 14 plus 1, 15, carry 1. 2 times 4, 8 plus that one, 9. You see? I add it together. How do you add? You know what to do. 9030, 0.9542. What do we have? 27581. This is our answer. 1.8572. That is our answer. So let me test you a bit. Can I test you now? Ah. You are repeating the same thing you said yesterday.
No test.
Let me test you now.
Students, no test.
You are using the same thing. I have to do this one for me. The last person I slapped, it was me that I slapped him and I slapped his life. I'm testing you. Lord. Okay, 108. That's what I need to do. And I think this one for me, 108. I'm not going to solve it. That's your test. I will test you. I'm not going to solve it. Okay, let's quickly solve all the questions here. We are paying attention. So the next question is what? It is log 49 to the y is equal to 2. What is the value of y? So y raised by 2 is equal to 49. What is y? 7. I think everyone already know what to do, right? Am I correct?
Yes, sir.
So that's what? Log 49 y equal to 2 log what? 2 log y is y. Good. So log 49 y is equal to what? Log what? Help me. Y raised by what? 2 to base y. Cancel. So 49 is equal to what? Y raised by 2. This implies that y raised by 2 is 49, right? Y raised by 2 is equal to what? 7 raised by 2. Y is equal to what? 7. Common power. That is number 7. Number 8, let's quickly solve that. Number 8 says 2 log 10, 2 log cube base 10 equal to this. Huh? Sorry. Number 8, sorry. I think the question, right? 2 log S to the 10 equals to 4. So you already know what to do. You ask me 10 raised to the power 4, or you now say log, you have to simplify this one out. Log S raised to the power 2. Then you also work on this 4 log what? Log what? 10 is what? 10. Then you can now log S raised to the power 2 equal to what? Log what? 10 raised to the power 4. Then you do what? You do what? You remove the log with the log. That's what? 2 equal to what? 10 raised to the power 4. 10 raised to the power what? 4. So now, how do I solve this? When I have x raised to the power 2 equal to 10 raised to the power 4, how do I solve it? The best way to solve it is, because of this power, you square root both sides. Eh? Or you multiply the power by 1 over 2. Multiply the power by 1 over 2. So what do you have? X raised to the power 2 times 1 over 2. 10 raised to the power 4 times 1 over 2. Alright? So that 2 will cancel this 2. That's why I multiply it. So that 2, you have 2 that will cancel this 2. Alright? So what do you have now? 10 raised to the power what? 2. And x is what? 100. Number what now? Number 9. Number 9 says log p to the 10 is a, and log q to the 10 is what? B. So the thing to express log p squared q to the 10. Express it in terms of a and b. So now, what you do is, just break this one down. So that you can represent A and B inside. Alright? Break it down. So let's go. And no, look at you. Pay attention to this one. So this one is what? Log P to the 10 minus log Q to the 10. You separate what is this now? Yes, because they are divided, you separate them by minus. You remember? P squared is divided by what? Q. So I separate them by minus. So log P squared minus log Q squared. Are you with me? So after I've done that, I will move this 2 to the other side. That's 2 log what? P to the 10 minus log Q to the 10. Now, you now represent it by what you have here. So log P to the 10 is A, log Q to the 10 is B. So put it there. So here we have 2 open bracket A minus what? B. So that's 2A minus B. That's the answer. 2A minus B. So number 10, please. Your question still remains 11 to 20. Please. After this one, I expect you to apply the knowledge I've taught you now. You now solve that 20. You solve it what? Again. So let's add this. So what we have now? Yes, we can use table. Log 25 is 5. Log 5 is 25. I think that they are almost alike. So what you do is just simplify. Alright? So log 5 is by 2 is 5. Abi? Divide by log 5 is 5 is by 2. Do you remember? 25 is by 2, right? These two will come here as denominator. Why these two will come here as what? Numerator. What do you have? 2 log what? 5 to the 5 over 1 over 2 log what? 5 to the 5. So this one is 1, this one is 1. So the answer is what? 2 is divided by 1 over 2. This division here, look at it here. The 1 over 2, look at it. That's what? 2 times 2. Your answer is 4. 2 times 2, your answer is 4. Thank you very much.